Welcome everyone, I'm back again with a new continent, a new topic, Antarctica. This is our last continent, and Antarctica, as you know, it is the coldest continent on earth, and the temperature can drop down till minus 80 centigrade. The scientists are constantly researching on Antarctica, and if we talk about the Antarctican research, scientists have researched a lot. There are 70 permanent research stations and more than 100 temporary research stations lying in Antarctica. In the globe, you can see Antarctica more properly, I think. Due to these scientists, we know that 98% of Antarctica is frozen, and we also know a lot about the wildlife, climate, weather, landscape, and tourism of Antarctica. Now, when we talk about the tourism of Antarctica, in 1950, the first cruise went to Antarctica, and today more than 50,000 people, civilian people, visit Antarctica every year. While we are visiting Antarctica, insulating clothes and goggles are very necessary. Now, when we talk about the Antarctica's wildlife, animals have to struggle a lot in the cold temperature. But in the Antarctican Peninsula, where the temperature is little bit mild, it is a hub for wildlife. Penguins, dolphins, seals, walruses, and other many animals. It is a home, and the Antarctican Peninsula is a home for other such many animals. Now, when we talk about the landscape of Antarctica, it is very varied. Seas and glaciers fill Antarctica, but the temperature is almost cold everywhere. There is a mountain called the Transitory Mountain that divides Antarctica into East and West Antarctica. As I said you, the temperature drops down till minus 80 centigrade in winters, which is enough to freeze even a human body, and ice caps are mostly frozen in this temperature. But in summer, the temperature rarely goes down below the freezing point, 0 centigrade. And the scientists usually go to Antarctica in summer. Antarctica is also the continent that faces 6 months of night and 6 months of day. Now we will do a small quiz about Antarctica. Till the time you can focus on Antarctica and see Antarctica. Antarctica is usually shown in white color. Yes, we are back with the quiz, and the first question is, what is the temperature of Antarctica in winters at an average? Option A, minus 80 centigrade. Option B, minus 94 centigrade. Option C, minus 84 centigrade. Option D, minus 104 centigrade. The correct answer is minus 80 centigrade. Divides Antarctica in two parts. Option A, Transantarctic Mountains. Option B, Musafa Mountains. Option C, Sarkic Mountains. Option D, Selkirk Mountains. The correct answer is Transantarctic Mountains. It divides Antarctica into the eastern and western Antarctica. In which year did the first cruise land in Antarctica? Option A, 1950. Option B, 1951. Option C, 1952. Option D, 1953. The correct answer is 1950. The first cruise landed in Antarctica in 1950. What is the average speed of winds in Antarctica? This is the question that I did not discuss. The correct option A, 300 kmph. Option B, 400 kmph. Option C, 500 kmph. Option D, 255 kmph. The correct answer is 300 kmph. Antarctica is the windiest continent in the world. What is the average snowfall of Antarctica? Option A 2 centimeter, option B 5 centimeter, option C 6 centimeter, option D 4 centimeter. The correct answer is 5 centimeters. This is also a question that I did not discuss. This makes Antarctica very dry, and it is drier than the Sahara Desert. So, how many permanent research stations lie in Antarctica? Option A 70, option B 65, option C 60, option D 55. The correct answer is 70. 70 permanent research stations lie in Antarctica. What is the length of Transantarctic Mountains? Option A 3500 km, option B 4090 km, option C 2167 km, option D 7866 km. This is also a question that we did not discuss, but the correct answer is 3500 km. 3500 km is also equivalent to 2167 miles. So you can remember it in both ways. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.